Hi guys, I'm Bree and today I'm going to show you how you can make banners in Minecraft. I'm going to go over several different banner patterns, different color variations, and just overall how to even make one. With Java, there are 4 different pattern banners that you can make. The other 2, I believe, are only Bedrock compatible, but I'll show you how to make these for today. The flower one, the creeper head one, the wither skull, and thing. Yes, it's called thing. I don't know why, but it is. So in here are the things that you need. So we need an oxeye daisy, a creeper head, a wither skeleton skull, and an enchanted apple. All right. So these are the 4 things for the craftier stuff, but we're just gonna go ahead and put these in our inventory for now. What you're going to need first, of course, is a crafting table, a loom, some wool. You can pick any color. I'm just going to stick with white just to make things simple, and a stick. While we're at it, we are also going to grab some different colored dye. So let's go with like a light pink, a light blue, maybe some red and green, and we'll call that good for now. So what we're going to do is go ahead, place down our crafting table and our loom, like so. And to craft a banner, you can click on the little book here, and you will see a banner right here. Just right click, and the first option will be what you have. And I'm just going to click this a few times. Next, we're going to make banner patterns. You don't need banner patterns in order to make a banner. If you want to just hang this one up, you can. With the loom, here is where you'll put banners, here's where you will put dye, and here's where you'll put a banner pattern if you make one. These are all the defaults that you don't need to make. Um, so we're going to take the items that we have from before, and we're going to make those patterns. I forgot we also need paper. We're only gonna need 4 pieces. And I'm gonna go ahead and put our banner in our inventory. So you're gonna open the crafting table, and here is going to be your paper. And then you're gonna put the item for the banner pattern that you want. So if you want the flower, you're going to use the oxeye daisy. You're going to get the flower charged banner pattern. And this pattern, once you have it, you can use it several different times. It's not a one-use type of thing, thank goodness. Um, Once you have it, you have it. And then next is the creeper charge, then the wither skull, and the thing. So now we have all 4 of the custom crafted banner patterns. Next, to make them, you'll just put the banner here, the pattern here, and the die. So let's say we want the pink flower, but if you want a background behind it, don't put anything just yet. So if you want a little gradient, let's say we're gonna do one white banner with magenta, and we're gonna do this ombre one right here. And all you have to do for multiple colors is put it back in. If you want it to be solid, do the rest of, do the other side the same color, or you can play around and see what different color combos look like. I think we're gonna go with the light pink, and so we take this banner and we could just put it back in. And we are going to be making a flower one first. So now we can decide what color we want the flower to be. I want to do the purple one. So now we have this, and here we go. We have our pretty little flower banner. I'm just going to go ahead and put the flower charge back into here with its banner. And then next is creeper. So again, open the banners, creeper, and let's do a dark green background. or rather, let's do light green at top. And then we're going to fade it into a dark green. I like that. And then we're going to use a black dye and the creeper charge. And now we have a really nice little creeper banner. Next, we have the wither skull. And what color should we do? Do we want to do black? Let's do gray. Let's do red. Okay. And then overall, we're going to do black and the skull charge, and it'll look like this. If you want to change the color of the skull, you just go ahead, put it back in, and try it with different colors. Boom, there we go. Now it's like cute little bones. The last one is thing. So this is what the pattern will look like. I want to make it kind of look fiery. I think that would be really cute. So I want to do a orange and then red. We're going to do this pattern to kind of look like fire. So we're going to take that, and then we're going to apply our banner color, and there we go. I like that. I think that looks nice. And boom, there we go. Anyways, that is how you can make several different banners in Minecraft. I hope that this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!